Hi everyone, welcome to iRover channel. Almost every city have a 3C market. It's about computer, communication, and consumer digital, consumer electronic product. And no different in Taipei. So today I'm going to take you to this what they call Guang Hua Digital Plaza. And inside you will see a lot of 3C product. So let's go. They have 6 floors. The first floor is all about laptop and computer, and we can see there's a plenty store here. This is probably the best place to bargain for a laptop, and because there's so much store here, it's very competitive. And we're going up to the second floor. So basically, this is no particular floor is for any digital product. So I'm just walking here so you can have a look. Like I say, computer, communication, and consumer electronic product is all over here. And occasionally you will see something like a sport related, like this one. So if you have any particular product you're looking for, and you can look at the sign and check the price. But if you don't, it's still a good place to walk around and looking at what is new on the market, what is new everybody was buying for. And of course, PlayStation's store is plenty here. And they are very kind to put all the price tag on the top so you can actually check it out before you talk to any of those. Looking for keyboard? There's a plenty selection here. Okay, let's keep going up. Therefore, looking for a backpack for your computer or for your cell phone, more monitor to look at it. I think this is a good way to shop around and compare each monitor before you buy it. And related. And this is the place I buy most of my motorcycle related equipment, like the uh, recording for your car, your motorcycle. If you're looking for any particular electronic stuff, a cable, adapter, you will find it here. DVD, CD. So we always say you have to compare at least 3 stores on the same product before you buy. And this is the greatest places you can come and look at it and check out the price. And you can definitely can compare more than 3 stores. So instead of a price comparison website, just come over here, spend the afternoon. You can touch and you can feel. Okay, let's move up to the 4th floor. Oh my God, this is probably the slowest elevator. We can speed up. Okay, looking for a CC camera for security. Looking for a speaker, radio accessory. Ooh, special made headphone. Looking at those speakers. I think I need one of those lights. So when I record myself, I can have enough light to my face or on my neck. This is the digital recorder for your car, so it will recording the front and the back of the car. So if any accident happens, you will have all the evidence. Try out the keyboard. Yeah, if you want to play a good game, you gotta have a good chair. So the way I usually bargain in here is I will start with the 2nd floor and looking for the things I want to buy and start asking for price. Then I go up to the 3rd floor asking another store. Then I go up to the 4th floor. Then by the time you get to the 5th floor, you pretty much have a good idea how you can bargain and what's the price range. Then you can go downstairs and go to whatever the one you feel like is the most reasonable price. Okay, we have fifth floor. Most of the goodies is between the second and the fourth. So when you get up to the fifth floor and sixth floor, it's more B2B instead of B2C. Wow, this is a very nice shop with all the 3D printer. Wow, amazing. Like I say, if you're looking for some 3C product and coming here is a good choice. Oh, this is one of the store I visit a lot is cable. All kind of cable you want and different size, different length, different adapter. Okay, last floor, the sixth floor. So the sixth floor is a little bit different than the floor below because they are more focused on the B2B, but some of the store is more focused on maintenance of the computer, laptop. So if you have some problem with your laptop, your or even your cell phone, and you can come find a store to help you repair. And one of the common stores you will come is if you have a damaged hard drive, and they even have some store will try to help you recover most of the data from your damaged hard drive. Western Digital, very famous hard drive company. Hard drive repair, CK data rescue. Okay, I think I'm reaching the end and most of the store, and hopefully you enjoy the video. I'll see you next time. Thank you.